preppers? Paul coming at you here with lunch today, and it has been a while. I know I missed doing these videos, but we moved into a new house. You can see we got a new kitchen, and we are back on track, guys. We are back on track. We've got 3 amazing meals coming out for you this week, starting with this Mojito mint tropical chicken dish here. We got it on cauliflower rice with a big old slice of pineapple and some roasted green beans, and then roasted macadamia nuts on top. Gives it a great crunch, a good little flavor, some healthy fat right there. But take a look at this. I marinated the chicken in some lime juice and mint. Marinate for as long as I can here, and then I was gonna grill it, but my grill's not set up, so I had to pan fry it. Just turned it up on high and just tried to sear it as best I could. At the end, I threw in the pineapple to get that some char as well. And then the cauliflower rice, just made it real simple, just with lime juice and cilantro. And then roasted some green beans in the oven, just on a baking sheet with a spray of olive oil and some sea salt. Guys, all together, this is pretty awesome. Let the skillet, left it on high, and then threw some macadamia nuts in there, just like a tablespoon, and it's right on top. Guys, this is coming out in the app this week. Super great dish here, a little different than I think you may be used to, but that's our goal. All right, we want to explore different dishes for you, explore different ingredients so you can see what's out there, get away from the plain old, and try some new stuff. And easy, guys. We've laid this out for instructions and pictures. Guys, take a look at our app, spread the news, impact some other friends' lives that are looking for healthy dishes. And guys, have a great Monday. All right, take care.